Alright guys, y'all asked for it. I'ma do a cooking video on the baked chicken with vegetables. Alright, this is what we're using. Clean meats, clean dishes. As someone offer you some food when you go to your house and they got a sink full of dishes and all over the counter, all over the table, don't eat that shit because they probably didn't wash their meat. These are the seasonings I will be using. We do not use salt. The only type of salt you're gonna use is in this blend or this garlic salt. But we don't use salt. If you do not have this, you can use this. I only prefer this because it seemed like it got less salt in it. Alright, so we gonna get the seasoning this food. Alright, so toss that at the bottom of whatever you're using to bake your chicken. This does two things. It prevents the chicken from sticking to the bottom of the pan. And it also provides steam. Since this is frozen, the water will evaporate and we're gonna have a glass top on here. It's gonna create the moisture that we need. Then you get your chicken thrown on top of it. I usually play music when I'm cooking, getting in my song, but I can't because of copyrights. My video will get flagged. Then you guys will not be able to see the video. Just like other videos I try to post. And I did not feel like remaking them shits. So, here you go. We're gonna put that in there, in the sink. So we're gonna reduce the cleanup. So what we're gonna start with? Start with some pepper. Even. Go all the way across evenly. Make sure you get all the chicken. You don't want to go heavy. I gotta get some more pepper. Then put your next seasoning. Okay. Next seasoning. See that? One time even coat. So I held it up in the air so it could distribute evenly. When you have it close, you're gonna get piles of seasoning on one side of the meat. When you hold it up high, you can come out even. All right. We're gonna switch the color up so we can see what we're doing. I'm gonna say this for the other half. Sorry, we got this season, so we're gonna flip it over. Notice I did not use this because most of the seasons I'm using is in there already. So just flip all the shit over. My channel is not made for kids, so if you got kids watching my videos, don't be surprised when you hear me cursing, because I am grown. My channel is set not for kids. So if you kids are watching, do not repeat anything I said, especially in front of your parents. All right, now yep, look like we running out of this. But we ran out of this, so to plan B, and go light with this. All right, next season. My bad. My finger was on the camera. My bad. My bad. I don't make all those fancy videos like everybody else. I'm just a regular person with hobbies. And I try to help people out. If I got information, I'll let you guys know. Do it yourself. Save money. Could go in fast food restaurants. This is more healthier. When you're done with your season, put it to the other side, so you don't make a mistake and use it again. Okay. I was running out of space. Had to delete some videos. All right. Remember, hold your seasoning up high for evenly distribution. When you hold it too close to the meat, you cannot do it evenly. And this is why I do it in the sink for easy cleanup. Now, the oven was been on already when I was washing dishes, so it's nice and hot. So We're gonna put this in the oven. You know what? I could leave the top off for like 20 minutes. Just go ahead, put it in the oven. Then you come back in 20 minutes, put the top on. All right, so it's past 20 minutes, I believe. So we're gonna take this time, flip it. I hope you people really listening to what I'm saying. I mean, yes, I know I'm a YouTuber. I don't consider myself a YouTuber. I'm just a regular person that, that knows shit. I try to help people out. Especially when it comes to like dogs and fishes and some car shit. People ask me the same shit over and over. I just decided to put out a video and help them out. So hopefully you guys see this video and you guys will start cooking for yourselves instead of buying fast food junk with all those chemicals that's in it. It's already bad enough our water got chemicals in it. So the chicken is almost done. So now we're gonna take our frozen vegetables and pour it on top. See, I'm gonna say this rest for my bearded dragons. So I'm gonna put the top on there and pop it back in there, and then come back in another 15 to 20 minutes, and then sprinkle the cheese on top, shredded cheese. Whatever shredded cheese you like, sprinkle on top. That is something extra if you want to show off, You want to present some good food to your guest. You sprinkle that cheese on top, let it melt, you pull it out, and jaws drop, especially when it tastes good. But anyway, I'm gonna cut the video off now. I think you guys get the point. I think you guys got it. Ain't no kids on this channel. My channel's not made for kids. So on there now It's just to hit the damn like button. Share with your friends and family. Help me so I could continue helping you. Peace out. Be safe. I decided to go ahead and show you guys the ending of the video. I got some shredded mozzarella cheese. Just gonna, sprinkle on top. And look, guys, you put it back in the oven. Leave the top off. And then look, you can also get whatever dressing that you like and use it for the vegetables, because that's what we gonna do. Well, running out of this too. Gotta go to the store tomorrow. I'm just showing you guys the possibilities of cooking for yourself. You don't have to put it on now. You could wait until it's completely done, then put it on your plate, then put your dressing on the vegetables. But anyway, throw that back in the oven. Let everything melt. Take it out in like 10 minutes or something. That's what you do. So go ahead, hit the damn like button, subscribe, share with your fans and family. Peace out. Have a good day. Have a good night. Morning, whatever. Just like my damn video.